Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device on your Mac. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, click on Bluetooth from the left sidebar and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, take the Bluetooth device you want to connect, such as headphones or a speaker, and turn it on. Then put your device into pairing mode. This usually involves holding a pairing or power button, depending on the device. Once your device is in pairing mode, it should appear in the list of nearby devices on your Mac. Simply hover over the device name and click Connect. After a few seconds, your Mac will connect to the Bluetooth device successfully. You can now start using it for audio, music, or calls. And that's how you can connect a Bluetooth device on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.